Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best vlogging cameras that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Sony ZV-1 camera for vlogging and YouTube. It is one of the most favorite cameras from Sony for the vloggers and content creators. The algorithm for automatic exposure rapidly adjusts the background and prioritizes the face with the background defocusing button. The fast hybrid and real-time eye auto-focusing feature allow adjusting it in 0.03 second. The onboard microphone allows a forward directional one-take shot. The microphone jack and the MI shoes help the user to explore more audio possibilities. The product showcase becomes easy when the camera automatically and quickly shifts the focus from your face to the product which you are showing. The wireless Bluetooth Sony shooting grip offers cable-free zoom control. It also expands the mini tripod for hands-free operation. The 20MP CMOS BSI sensors also come with a 3 inches touchscreen display. The camera shoots in Full HD at 120 fps and 4K videos at 30 fps. The 24-70mm f1.8 to 2.8 lens is specifically designed for the vloggers. It comes with numerous modes for shooting. It provides the HLG shooting when you want to view the capture in the HDR display. The camera also offers S-Log 2/3 mode for the professional users to tone out their videos in the post-production works. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Fujifilm X-T4 mirrorless camera. The in-body 5-axis image stabilization of this Fujifilm full-frame camera offers up to 6.5 stops to deliver sharp and steady images to the user. You can adjust the 1.62 million pixels of 3 inches vari-angle LCD touchscreen that will be visible from the wide range positions. The screen comes with a fold-away design to remain hidden from the view, leaving with the current electronic viewfinder to record 3.69 million pixels for every 100 fps. The viewfinder also helps to focus on the moment. This vlogging camera is capable of recording 4K video at 60 fps and Full HD at 240 fps. It can also record F-Log videos in 10-bit color and saves it straight to the micro SD card. The innovative subject tracking feature allows the user to work even in low lighting conditions. With the presence of 4th-generation CMOS X transport sensors, now is the correct time to extend your imagining limits. It is the only camera that offers 10x effects for slow-motion videos. The dual image stabilization and digital image stabilization mode allow you to shoot any videos with no need for any additional accessories. At number 3, we have the Panasonic Lumix G104K vlogging camera. This vlogging content camera from Panasonic offers exceptional portability and performance to the content creators. You can capture, edit, upload, and transfer any image or video at 4K resolution at 30 fps and Full HD at 60 fps. The microphone of this gadget features OSO Audio by Nokia that offers clear sound to the user. Now shooting an image with no shake at the perfect angle is possible. The advanced hybrid 5-axis image stabilization comes with a free 180-degree rotational angle monitor. The face recognition feature also helps to adjust the focus automatically in your task. You can record any video with a vertical shooting that is perfect to playback on mobile phones. The video selfies mode in this device keeps both the background and your face in focus with no blurring of the image. This vlogging camera ensures that your face will always be visible with 1804K dots. The indicator of the rec frame makes sure that you have no more missing takes. You can find all the features you require right at your fingertips with 3 inches rear-free touchscreen. The 20.3 MP MOS live sensors are capable of recording high-resolution videos from any angle while you walk or talk. At number 2, we have the Canon EOS M200 mirrorless digital vlogging camera. With 24.1 MP APS-C CMOS sensors and image processor of DIGIC8, this vlogging camera from Canon EOS helps to capture high-standard images. Accurate and fast CMOS AF dual pixel assists you to take the photo right at the current moment when it is happening. A wide 88x100% AF area focuses right even if the subject is off-center. The eye detection feature focuses on the eye of the subject with accuracy and speed that is perfect for capturing the portraits. It comes with support for vertical videos that allow mixing up the camera angles to produce exclusive and fun videos. You can record stunning 4K videos at 24p, 25p that is nearly 4x times the full HD resolution. The 3 inches high-resolution LCD touch panel tilts 180 degrees up and 45 degrees down to take a perfect snap of you. The Bluetooth pairing reads the GPS location from your phone, letting you where and when you have taken that picture. You can also click pictures remotely from your mobile phones with just a touch. The silent mode of the device does not make a sound even when the shutter clicks so that your subject does not get disturbed. The portrait mode allows you image settings to blur the backgrounds. And finally at number 1, we have the Sony Alpha A6600 mirrorless camera. For vloggers, bloggers, and independent content creators, the Sony A6600 is a dream camera. It has a 3-inch touchscreen LCD that tilts up to 180 degrees to face forward. It comes with a 24.2 MP APS-C exmor sensor and Sony's Bions X processor. Sensor sensitivity tops out ISO 32000 for stills, but it is the sensor's 5-axis image stabilization in camera which is impressive. It has 0.02 second autofocus with real-time tracking autofocus and real-time eye autofocus for seeing eyes in humans as well as animals to automatically keeping them in focus. It comes with an impressive burst speed of 11 fps. The battery life of this vlogging camera is 720 shots per charge. The microphone and headphone jacks allow you to hook up high-quality external microphones and control your audio easily. It provides the video resolution of 4K UHD 2160p. It features Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and NFC connectivity. This vlogging camera performs extremely well in low light. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.